Why do girls seem to prefer bad boys over nice guys? Why do nice guys often end up in the friend zone while the jerks get the girls? And most importantly, what can a nice guy do to start attracting women? I get it. Even I like to think of myself as a nice guy. Yet, we've all experienced getting friend-zoned or dumped, only to see the girl later hook up with a jerk. If you don't make some changes soon, this cycle will keep happening. The bad news? This pattern is likely to continue if you don't change your approach. The good news? It's actually easy to change. You don't need to alter your personality or completely overhaul your wardrobe. It all starts with understanding the one big difference between nice guys and assholes. And no, it's not confidence, swagger, or any of the typical advice you've heard. The one big difference isn't confidence or swagger. It's not a cheesy pickup trick. It's simply dominance. Yep, you heard that right. Dominance. Other people might call it leadership or authority, but the root principle is the same. Dominance. The difference is that assholes dominate their relationships, while nice guys do not. Women sense the jerks, and assholes are the ones in control in their relationships. Nice guys lack that sense of dominance, which makes all the difference. Unfortunately, most men have been taught that dominance is a bad thing. We're raised to believe in equality between sexes as the norm, but this doesn't necessarily apply to sex and relationships. You might be wondering, does that mean I have to become an asshole for women to like me? The answer is yes and no. Yes, because being an asshole might make you more successful with women than being a nice guy. But no, because women eventually leave their asshole boyfriends. So, what should you do instead? Follow what I call the DCR protocol. It's a middle ground between being a nice guy and an asshole, with the best features of both. Most importantly, it equips you with the key ingredient, dominance, even if you're not naturally dominant. With the DCR protocol, women will feel drawn to you, even those you're not particularly attracted to. But before going to that, take a moment to check out my free attraction playbook that will help you attract beautiful women. Done? Now, DCR stands for Don't Chase, Replace. It's a mindset where you absolutely do not chase, pursue, or court women. If a woman doesn't like you back, you don't chase her. Instead, you replace her by meeting new women. There are thousands of them out there. Imagine a guy using the DCR protocol. He's confident, non-needy, and follows his own rules in dating. Women feel drawn to him because he's not like the needy, insecure men they usually meet. Women start trying to win him over. How to use the DCR protocol. Start with these adjustments. No more chasing women. Accept that if a woman likes you, she will chase you. Have a bigger purpose in life than just being successful with women. It could be work-related, family-related, or world-related. If a woman makes you choose between her and your bigger purpose, be prepared to let go of her because she's replaceable. This readiness actually makes you more attractive. The drawback of the DCR protocol is that it takes time. You'll need to meet new women regularly and nurture a healthy social life. For quicker results, you need another technique, seduction. Seduction technique designed to make women feel addicted to you. They won't notice it in your words, but they'll feel it deep inside. Women will see you as a dominant, attractive, irresistible guy just from talking to you. Want to learn more about seduction? Check out my book, How to Seduce Any Women You Want. This ebook is the fastest way to master seduction. If you've been a nice guy all your life, this one book will change everything. Go ahead, take the leap. Trust me, this won't disappoint you.